So today we're going to take a look at a beautiful home in East Nashville. This home is a great example of what it's like to live in the East Nashville area. Now we'll start out with a tour of the neighborhoods surrounding the home, then we'll finish with a look inside. After the tour, we'll use a map to locate shopping in the areas as well as commute times to hot spots in town. So let's get started. First time to the channel and you want to get our weekly updates about Nashville, Tennessee living, we recommend you hit that subscribe button down below. Our goal is to be your weekly boots on the ground and provide you video every week so you can get to know all about homes, neighborhoods, and subdivisions. Now we get calls every day from people just like you looking to make the move to Nashville, and we would love to help you find the perfect fit. So if you're looking to move in 30 days or 90 days, pick up your phone, call, text today. We'll get to work right away. Our team will be happy to help you make a smooth move to Nashville.
Okay, so we're looking at the property now with the car parked in front of it. Just going to do a 360 here so you can see it's a very East Nashville. You've got some new houses across the street, you've got a church across the street, and on either side you've got one-story brick ranch, which is very common. Those will either be remodeled or torn down, and they will build two structures just like these. Both of these are for sale. You can see you've got a nice big island. You've got a lot of light in this house on the first floor. This is your dining room. You can see it's a nice big kitchen, lots of storage. You've got a fenced-in backyard. Dining room again, you can see the detail on the walls. This is your first story screened-in back porch. You do have a half bath and two storage areas there. You've got extra storage up against that wall. As you go down this back hallway, it takes you to the stairs. This is your primary bedroom upstairs with a vaulted ceiling. You've got detail on the walls. You can see here. You have an upstairs private screened-in porch off the primary bedroom. This is the primary closet. Primary bathroom, really nice shower and tub combination. We're headed to the front of the house. This is the bedroom on the front of the house on the right. Lots of storage, lots of custom tile work in these bathrooms. They're really nice. Primary bedroom on the left-hand side of the front of the house. So the purpose of this drive around is just to show you some of the houses that are in the proximity of the house that we just showed you. In this part of East Nashville, you'll see a lot of one-story brick ranch houses on big lots. You'll see sometimes they'll go in and remodel and refurbish the one-story brick or add on to it, or they'll completely tear it down, which is called a tear down, and then they'll build either a new home on the property. They'll build two tall skinnies so they fit side by side and they can fit on one of these big lots. If the lot's too thin, you'll also see them stack a tall skinny house in front and then put one in behind it, so they take advantage of the property. This is in February, the time this footage is taken, so you don't see any leaves, you don't see the green grass. Nashville is known for its foliage, dark green everywhere, especially in the spring. The fall is really beautiful too, with all the leaves changing. You can see there's different types of architecture, but it all looks really nice on these lots. Here we go with some more new projects, new houses. There's one that was built, rebuilt. Here we come up on the property right here on the right-hand side. Okay, so let's start out real quick and let's just take a look at the area in East Nashville. I will be looking in a different direction to look at a bigger screen, so I don't have to use my eyeglasses. So if it looks like I'm looking away from you, I probably am. So anyway, as we look at this down here, we're going to look at East Nashville we can see that Rosebank is actually a neighborhood, and this is Rosebank Avenue where our property is located. So East Nashville is basically, this is Ellington Parkway, which is this 31E, and then you go up to Douglas Avenue, you go across Cahall, you take that all the way to Shelby Bottoms Park over here, you follow the river all the way around back down to I-40 and back across. That's going to give you East Nashville. It's interesting, the picture that was taken by Google here of the property shows an empty lot, so this is what it looked like before the build. So let's take a look at some of the things that are around the property within a mile or so. Just a quick note, East Nashville is bordered by the Cumberland River, so unless there's a bridge there, you don't have access to that going east and west. So if you look down here in the bottom, you can take the Shelby Street exit, or you can take the Main Street exit, which are the two primary ways to get there from the downtown area. Once you get onto Ellington Parkway, which kind of goes north and south, then you have exits like Cleveland Street and Trinity Lane, as an example, Douglas Avenue, where you can exit off of that, which is main thoroughfare, and you can get into East Nashville. So if you exit on Main Street, my office is actually right about where this blue, that's it right there. So that's East Nashville. Some really cool things about East Nashville are the unique places to eat. So you got 5 Points Pizza, which is one of the top pizza joints in town. You've got Dino's Bar and Grill. You got Chopper. The Kroger is your big grocery store. You've got a Kroger's and a Publix within a mile of this location. What's also cool is even back in here, like the grill shack here, looks like it's in the middle of a neighborhood, and it really is, but it's a neat location you could walk to from the property. Roast Pepper Cantina is really cool, and that's a cool retail area right there where there's shopping and restaurants on all 4 of these corners, so it's a really cool area. You've got a bakery here, you've also got a bakery in that retail area. The Frothy Monkey down here is a really popular coffee shop. Those are all over town, but it is unique to Nashville. Really cool area. You've also got a golf course down here, which is a part of Shelby Bottoms. And then this is a huge park that you are literally a half a mile from that you can access. It's over 500 acres of trails and access to the river. So it's a really cool location. If you need to get downtown, you're probably 15 minutes away tops to get to downtown from this location. So we've closed in a little bit. We can see where the property is right here with the red marker. And of course it shows no home there at this time, but we know better. What you're probably going to do with your access is you're going to come over here to Preston. You're going to take it down to Eastland Avenue. Eastland Avenue takes you right out. You can either go Riverside if you're going downtown, or you can go Eastland right over to Gallatin Road, which is the main thoroughfare through East Nashville. So you're literally less than a mile from the Kroger right here off of Eastland. So, and then you've got access to everything on Gallatin Road here, which it has all of your shopping and restaurants and things like that.
Found this video helpful? Please take a minute to comment and like it. You can help us reach more people with your help. And remember, if you're looking to move in 30 days or 90 days, pick up your phone, call, text, or email today so we can get to work right away. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.